Good afternoon. This is the meat for the okra soup. You see, I've not cut it. I just put them inside the pot to parboil it a little bit so that it can wash away the blood. So when you are parboiling it, you can put a drop of lime, then a little bit of salt to remove the blood. So the reason why we are doing that, for the soup not to get black, because okra is green soup. So when you don't do this, you just cut the meat and put it like that, the soup will get black. So you have to parboil it and wash away the blood before I cut it. So this is the starting first, okay? So this is the result. I have to take it out of the fryer now to wash them very well, okay? I just clean out the blood. You see the lime I put inside, so I have to pour it out and rewash it very well again so that the soup will not get dark, okay? These are all the protein I'm using. This is fish, this is cow skin, this is snail, this is tripe, and this is beef. So these are the protein I'm using. So you must not use this. You can use the one of your choice, but I'm only just showing you. So first you pour the tribes inside because it's stronger. So you have to put this one for like 10 minutes first. This is Maggi cube, thyme, powdered ginger, onions, and curry. So you put them all together inside to boil the meat. Then you put salt, the one of your choice. So you have that, then you cover, okay? This is the beef. You know, you remember I told you I have to parboil it to wash away the blood so that the soup will not get black. So this is it. This is the result. I've washed it, so like this it will make the soup to be green. So this is it. So this is the okra. I finished cutting it into 2 or 3 places. So this is it, because I don't want to make the video too long. That's why I cut it. So I finished now, so I have to chop the okra, okay? I have this to chop the okra. So you have to put, you see, put it, put, yeah. So I have to add a little bit of water. You see it? This is it. I have to use the high button so that for it to blend fast. You see that? So this is the quantity of the meat I need, because the soup, for me, the okra is mush. You understand? So you have to stir. Kind of, you are bringing those ones down from the down to up so that they will not over soft. Now that we have put the meat, then you can test again for salt. If the salt is enough for the meat, then yeah, I test it is good. But the meat is ready. Then we have to add the habanero pepper. Then you stir. You see, I add the habanero pepper. So it's time for we to add the fish. This is the fish. I'm not putting all. I have a lot. No, I'm not putting them all. So you see, it's more, it's okay. Then we have to cover for the fish to done. See the remaining fish, I'm going to keep them. So that it will not scatter. I'm still going to put it anyway, but so now let's put the snail. This is the snail because I don't want it to get too much soft. So now you turn it. So after the snail, we still have to cover it for like 1 minute, just 1 minute. Put the okra. This is the main one. So we turn everything. So we stir them together. Yeah. Stir. 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 So you see, it's too thick. So we have to add a little bit of water. Then you taste. We are still stirring it. So you can taste for salt, for pepper, if everything is okay. Then if it's okay for your taste, it's good. Okay. So what will happen? You remember I removed the fish, so I have to put them back to the soup. Okay. This is the soup. So we have to leave it to boil for like 5 minutes or 6. It's okay. Like 5 or 6 minutes. Yeah. Okay. You see it? See how slimy it is. You see? This is our final result. So